This is the legendary event. This is super awesome to get to be here, just to vibe together, to help one another, to interconnect with kindness, and to get to know one another and realize where we all are relative to our own journey and whatever road we took to bring us here.
It's really rare to come to one of these events where it's really focused on community. So it's been an incredible few days of connecting with different folks.
Our experience has been great, really fun to meet a lot of people in this community. Well, the location's amazing. I can't wait to come back and ride more of the trails. We're a sponsor / vendor, and it's not about selling our stuff. It's about hanging out with everybody and education, and I think you can feel that.
It's fun. It's got a lot of activities, mountain biking, paddleboarding, the reservoir is here, and all the dogs.
Everybody is so respectful, friendly, it's informative, it's just a very open atmosphere. I really love to meet a variety of people. That's what's really cool here.
I wanted to find a way to bring the community together for a weekend of learning and inspiration and knowledge building, but also combining that with all the fun outdoor activities that really draw all of us to van life. So, yeah, and lastly, I just want to thank you all. Like I said, many of you drove from really far away, and this event wouldn't be what it is without all the cool people who are here and making it fun. So, okay, go have fun. Woo!
I cannot believe how welcoming everybody has been. There's such an open, collaborative atmosphere here. Everybody's here to just connect with other people, help other people, and there's so much to do.
The most fun has been the paddleboarding out of the reservoir, and then just in general spending time with community, late nights around, listening to music and just having dinner together, which is really great as well.
There's so many fun things to do. There's a creek, there's the reservoir, there's paddleboarding, mountain biking. Everybody seems pretty active. Happy hour last night was awesome. Everybody was so open and welcoming. So all in all, it's, as I said, it's exceeded my expectations.
This is about community, and Kristen has really made that known. But come on in, say hi, shake hands, give hugs, do whatever, take a nap in our vans. It doesn't matter. Thank you so much for having us. Brian from Outside Van, come by, and look forward to talking to every single one of you.
It's been a really welcoming, fun space, and we were so happy to dance with everyone the first day and do a little bit of yoga. And we all support each other, help each other out, meet up a couple times a year at least. My life just feels richer because of all these people that I've met, and I feel supported.
The van life community is probably one of the most open and loving communities that I've ever come across. For the most part, like, I just feel like I'm with a ton of my friends, and I met them all 2 days ago. We're all just in it together, but all for different reasons, and it's really cool to hear about all those reasons.
I've been all over this town. Seen a party, seen a disco, seen a fooling around. No time for dancing, but lovey-dovey, I ain't got time for that now. Tells me if I spring a leak, she convinces me I don't have to speak. She defends me a drunken street, never did see one.
That's it for us. Thank you.
Yeah, she makes you wonder where you are. When you want some more, she's fast asleep, leaves you dreaming with the stars. For young Prince Sundays and nothing else. Could you hear that I am my mind for you? Couldn't be the better than right for you, but I'm not with the business of what you feel.